the Versace Mansion in Miami. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along for dinner and I'm gonna be giving you a tour. So please subscribe if you haven't and let's start. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, it's beautiful here. So let's go check in. So then, this is like a bar that they have, and then towards this side, it's where they have like the other part of the restaurant, but it's indoors. How pretty. Wow, look at the ceiling. Very nice. So we're making our way back. It's not guaranteed that they'll sit you outside in the patio by the pool. That's the iconic Versace. Instead, they just put you on the list and then they'll send you a text once everything's ready. This is an iconic fountain that they have indoors. Look how beautiful this is. And that's the bar, my friends, full bar while you wait. So there's a corner here where people come and take pictures. I want to show you how beautiful this is, guys. People come and take pictures, so I'm going to take a picture right here. Okay, we're going in. Gotta watch out for these. Wow. Look at this. Versace, Versace, Versace. Wow. Okay, so back in the day, we weren't allowed to sit in this area. I think we're gonna get one of the nice tables. Ooh, we are. Excuse me. After you. Wow, guys, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. So we got a nice table right by the pool. Wow. I do want to point out, I'm going to show you the menu in a second, but right now they have something going on which is called Miami Spice, which runs from August till September, till the end of September. And it's basically you get an appetizer, an entree, and then you get a dessert at a fixed price. Right now, the drink is not included, it never is, but Miami Spice, if you guys come during those months, it's basically, think of it like a promotion that they have so that they can acquaint people with new dishes that the restaurants have, and then you get to save money, and it's a good way of attracting people, and then it's a lot more affordable, and not all dishes are available, so keep that in mind. So this is the Miami Spice dinner menu. For $45, this is what you get. Then you get an entree, and then you get one dessert. Oh no, you get two, tiramisu or key lime pie. I think I'm gonna get a key lime pie. I wanna eat dessert again, so this would be the perfect opportunity. And then they also give you the wine list. I want for you guys to check the prices out and what they offer. I'm not a wine drinker, so they also have these. And then on this side, they have the red collection. And then here is where they have the rest. Now, I want to show you the actual menu so that you get an idea. So, appetizers that are not part of the Miami Spice menu, as you can see right away, the prices are significantly higher when you add them up with the entree. They do have soups and salads. They have caviar for $250. And then, what do they have here? Oh, they have more cocktails, prices, so that you guys can see. And then here is where they have, for example, if you want to eat seafood, you want to eat meat, pasta. These are the sides. And that's it. Ooh. Okay, what do they have here? So these are the breads. I'm guessing that it's on the house. Oh, nice. And they have the oil. So this appears to be sourdough bread. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil here. Now it would have been nice if they had vinegar. Not complaining. So then you come. So Mr. Sandy and I, we came to the Versace Mansion years ago, and as I told you guys, we weren't allowed to sit on the other side. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the Versace Mansion. So it's no longer the Versace Mansion. This is now called the Villa Casa Casuarina. Casuarina, yeah, the Villa Casa Casuarina. That was a mouthful. It's the new name, and it's also known like locally as the Versace Mansion. So the restaurant is called Gianni. So for this restaurant, you do have to book ahead. We booked the day before.
Yeah, there were no reservations for yesterday, so we had to book today.
Right.
Because it was fully booked.
Right, so we had to book ahead, and then they don't guarantee that they're gonna give you a table by the pool. We're very lucky, so we did. They do have indoor dining, but that's no fun. Like the beautiful part, if you come, just make sure you get the outside dining by the pool. Wear something that's a little like meant for hot weather, because if you're not from Miami, it's very, very hot. And even if it's chilly, it's gonna be nice.
Even though today is not bad.
And they do have a dress code. You have to wear something nice. They won't allow people with beach wear, even though this is like right across the beach. They're very strict with that. We dressed really nice. Well, one of us did. Sandy didn't. Sandy doesn't like to dress up, but I'm just playing Sandy. So
parking, valet parking if you want. There's valet.
But you can park on the street like we did, and you walk. This is the strawberry lemonade I ordered. Looks delicious. And then Sandy, which he spilled in his plate, they're bringing him another one. He got a Diet Coke in a bottle. He's putting a little bit of salt and pepper into his food. Sandy, that's how you know you don't cook. That's how you know you don't cook. So I want to test out the strawberry lemonade. That means so-so. Food is taking forever, so I wanted to share some cool facts about the Versace Mansion. So this was not the original Versace Mansion. Like, he didn't just build it. He bought it in 1992, and today it is a luxury hotel. It is not owned by Versace anymore. This place is also iconic because of something bad that happened. Versace himself was murdered outside at the doorsteps. He was shot twice, and it happened in 1995. July 15, 1995 was when he was murdered outside. Okay, Sandy, so this is the octopus, right? Tastes really good. This choke was sold out, and they have this eggplant, which is like a lasagna. No, so it's missing lime? Oh, wow. So he had to get it from my lemonade and put it there. So first impressions, do you like it?
It's okay.
I can't show you guys the plate, obviously, because it's very hot. But I'm gonna make use of this handy dandy fork. Oh God, hold on. Okay.
Over here. Yeah.
Thank you. all you taste is the sauce. That's all you taste, like a strong tomato sauce. So this is the filet mignon that your girl ordered. It's a decent size.
6 ounces.
6 ounces. This is the fish that Sandy Wendy got with some carrots. It's a branzino. Ooh. This is what I'm gonna eat. Perfect. Oh wow. It's really good. Probably one of the best filet mignons I've ever had. It's the food, Sandy. It's good. This tastes amazing.
We're making up for the appetizer. This is much better.
Mr. Sandy Wendy went all out. Thank you, Mr. Sandy. Love you. Happy anniversary. And then this is what I got. It started raining, so they're having to move everyone back. Look at that. It started raining. I'm gonna be trying the dessert. You guys know. Not good. An honest review on the food.
Quickly, from 1 to 5. Appetizer 1.5. Entree, the fish was good, but the carrots and the green beans were not good. So,
The filet mignon was good.
okay, so 3 out of 5, and the dessert 1 out of 5.
Yeah, the dessert was not very good. So overall comments, it's an experience. There are restaurants in Miami where you can get food that is a little bit more flavorful. For example, Ceviche 105 is one of them. Good service and a good experience, but the food is not like there for the price, even though we only paid like $45 per person, plus the drinks. But it's an experience. Oh, the octopus, it wasn't included. It wasn't, so the octopus that Sandy ordered
It's
is
an upcharge. It is in the menu, but it's an upcharge.
which means that appetizer is in the menu, but they charged you an extra $10 for it. And he had to add lime to it, so it was not like
And
there.
same for the branzino. It was an upcharge of $10.
Okay, so something that I want for you guys to see, it started raining, so if they sit you here, it's typical Florida weather that it pours and then it's like back to normal. So something that they have is obviously the outdoor dining, and then upstairs they have another place, and then over there is where they have a bar. And this is the pool. You have to be staying in the hotel to have access to the pool. And I really like that it has the mosaic. This is, from Versace, so that's where you would make yourself into the pool. And then upstairs, that's where they have the bedrooms for the guests to stay. Everything, look at the palm trees, everything is so detailed. It's very, very beautiful. And then they made this terrace. When I came, they didn't have that, so it's rained quite a bit, and today's another day. I hope that you guys loved the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't. I'm uploading video 3 times a week here on YouTube, and I would really appreciate it if you guys shared this video, gave it a thumbs up, so like that YouTube can recommend my videos to more and more people. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.